Wonderful to see you. Yeah, my mess here. I should be sitting there actually, but I've got my hat on with the light, so I'm hoping that you get a good view of these things here. Ah, and the mess I got over there. I told you I recycle everything. Anyway, I thought I'd just walk you through because I had to reorganize everything. I had to take 2 grow areas and put them over here and in another room. But it looks like things are making it okay. And I wanted to kind of walk through and show you. Oh my. Yes, it's going to be quite a little fiasco here. I started this with just a tomato plant. So I'm pretty pleased anyway. So let's go take a look at what I got going on here. Now my Swiss cheese monstera, well, he's kind of changing a little bit. But he's got good character. He's just expanding out more. And, I have him next to Alvin, my tree philodendron. Oh, yeah, it's hard to really highlight one plant here, isn't it? But he's getting little roots on him. I don't know if I could show you that. No, not too well. Let me try anyway. It's interesting to me. Come here, you. See? Sorry about that. Where are you? All this to show you extra roots. Yeah, I find that to be interesting. Because he didn't have these when I first got him. So, he's doing well. He's healthy. And my Stella. Aw, she always does so well. Now she's all... I had a little bow on her for Christmas. She's all mangled up there. But look at her. She just needs to be... I just need to turn her a little bit. And this makes me super, super, super happy. This is my, I call it my Popeye patch. Yeah, from what I did with the distilled water and sterilizing this. Yeah, I got 5 little, is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 little Popeyes. And my spider plant's always doing well. Now look at Christopher. Now this really amazes me. Do you see what I see? He already bloomed this year, but he's blooming again. And so is my Thanksgiving cactus. It amazes me because I could hardly get him to bloom once. So I'm real happy. And my lipos. Aw, that's a shadow. Always a shadow. But he's doing well. And my ghost cactus, I just love him. I really love him. I'm waiting for him to grow a little bit more. He should get 6 to 8 feet tall. And, that's my little baby. Yeah, you can barely see anything like this, huh? My baby jungle flowers back there, but that's nothing I really wanted to highlight. Let me get out from getting shadowed. And my princess, pink princess, she's doing rather well. Some of these I'm going to have to pull out. Yeah, because my creeping Charlie is doing well. Oh, you see that? This is one of those geraniums that have a nice smell to them. So I'm happy about that too. And my jungle flower vine. Yeah, I got little bows on everything. I wanted to be festive. But look at how long his tendril is. Woo-hoo. Yeah. So, yeah, at some point in time, he'll get a flower. I don't know when. And then my Coco. Oh, he needs some water. He's doing well. Is he getting a new one? Yes, he is. Look, 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 look. Oh, finally, they grow so very slow. Don't ever give up on them. Because they just grow so very slow. Yes, and my Alvin. Now he lost. Here we go. Oh yeah, let's give him his due because he's huge. Can you see very well? I'm so sorry. You know my eyes are so sensitive. I have to wear a hat with a light on it to do this. So yeah, I wanted to show you here though. He lost a lot of leaves down here. I don't know if it's woohoo. Yeah, we're getting the wrong thing focused here. You can see how it's kind of new. I had to pull that all off. Now, I don't know if that's what they do when they put on new growth, but boy, did he ever put on new growth. So, okay, I will show you too a nutrient that my son put in my stocking. And I'm telling you, my plants are really taking off with this. Ah, the shadow. You know, I'm usually really transparent with everything I do. And so these are the ones I started using, but I will use these 1 week, and then I will use my Nectar of the Gods one shot. And I always use the CalMag. But since I started using this, oh, my plants have really taken off of it. So let me show you. Now this is my Michael. Yes, I'm into Michael. And look at, I'll turn the lights off in a second, because they're little candy canes and snowflakes. And as long as I don't think it's harming the plant, I'm going to keep it on there. Let me turn it off for you, though, because it's blinding my eyes. Yep. Oh, I got these at the dollar store. Anyway, I love this plant. You can see where he's putting on new growth. So I don't want to hinder him any, you know, with my bows and things. But yeah, he'll always be kind of festive. I just love him. I can't tell you a lot about my fairy garden because I can't see well enough to play with it these days. It hurts my eyes so much. Oh, the shadow. But I've noticed that I do have the shadow. I do have new growth in there. Can you see that? I hope so. If I can see it some, I hope you can. And all these things seem to be doing really well. I'll take more time with this when I can see better. But all in all, it's doing really well. And did you see my columns, by the way? I have to take you over here anyway. Did you see that? I got these for Christmas. Oh, I'm changing my house a little bit. And I mentioned I wanted to do it with these columns. And, well, that's what my parents got me for Christmas. And this one, too. Where Alvin's in it. And, oh, I love these. They're lightweight. I just love them. So let's go on. My parsley's happier, it seems. Some of my plants got happier, which makes me upset because, well, some kind of upset because, well, I miss them being where they were. So here we have the canna, which we don't know what's going on with that. Can you see the canna here? So it's strong and healthy, so we're going to see what it does. But my mint, you know, everyone talks about mint being so prolific. I don't think so, not for me anyway. Was that the right word? I never know. And my aloe vera. Now I'm going to take some of my aloe vera out because it needs to be thinned out. And I'm going to put them in little pots. Yes, I got my pots for my other propagation thing I was showing you. And we'll get to that here in a moment. But here, this is my baby pink princess, and she kept getting knocked out of here for some reason. Can you see? I hope so. Because she's just trying to come back again. Ah, you know, if it's not the fungus gnats, it's always something. But I'm hoping she'll be okay. Now this one here, the croton. Oh, well, look. I lost everything on this one. Everything. Shadow. This is all I have left is a stick. So I decided to put it in a self-watering pot. And, you know, Julius here did just fine, but Marius, he's just a stick. So I'm hopeful. It should have gone in a black pot, but it has new growth, and I'm really hopeful for it. I really love this plant a lot, but it requires so much water. You almost want to set it in water, but don't do that. But it requires a lot of water, more than an impatience. And these are my calancho. Remember, I cut them back, and I took all the cuttings and made new plants out of them. Well, they're bouncing back really well. This one should have been cut back further, I think. But these all need to be repotted. I'm just not real sure where to put them yet. And my chili peppers. They've been sitting here for a year doing nothing. And now they're responding. See, these plants only get 8 hours of sun now, where before they were getting 18. So Yeah, sometimes less is better. I hope you can hear me in here. The fan is always so loud. But see, my tomato is still doing very well. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm always amazed, even when I come in and look at it. It makes me really happy. I always can have a tomato anytime I want it. I just come in here and take it. And my onions, you know, where are they? Not so well. I got 1 or 2 in there. I'm working on it. And my tomato with the heart, my goodness gracious. It just keeps going and going and going. So, yeah, it needs a bigger pot. It really, really does. But when we come over here to my radishes, you see, I'm always having a problem with my radishes and carrots. We might put, you know, some jalapeno in there. I'm not sure. It's just not working out for me. And, well, my cilantro is trying to bolt, but I'm trying to keep it from bolting. This makes me super excited and happy. It does. All of the jalapeno, do you see them? They're coming up. So, yeah, I'm waiting for the strongest one. I think I see him. And then I'm going to plant the other ones in other places, but I am so happy. Let's hope that everything works out for this one. Using distilled water seems to be the ticket. I don't know if I did that with these, but I did that with the other ones. Well, I don't know about this. I'm doing it with the lights out and with my headlamp on. But this is my room I just created. And see, Mark seems to be doing well. He seems to be happier, and I think it's because I have an overhead fan. Yeah, I got everything in the way in here. This isn't how to properly make a grow room. No, everything's on a... Well, it's on a power bar. Can you see that? No? Well, it's there. Anyway, yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Anyway, all the light reflects back into my face. But see, he's doing much better. So he just probably needed better aeration. I'm sorry I ran you through this so fast, but, you know, it's really hard for me. Because all the light reflects right back into my face. Now, I don't have the cilantro out here right now, but it's doing well, and I got the yahal for it. I'll do a video on that one. I got 50 pounds of soil and the pots and the markers. They even gave me a free little marker to go with it. Isn't that sweet? Anyway, this is one of my gift baskets I'm giving away. Well, to my family. And then, you know, they're all taking rather well in here. And I brought my bromeliad. I thought I'd bring in my stuff in here that, you know, it isn't blooming right now. And you can see I already have so much stuff in the other room. And my, yep, I don't want to knock my plants over on the floor here. But my alocasia gave me a new leaf. Where is it at? That shiny one. So yeah, I cut off its old flowers, and it seems to be really happy in here. And that's another one of my gift baskets. I call them baskets. And here's another. Now this is the sad part, and yeah, this did make me cry a little. These are the ones I got in the mail. And they're already, this one's kind of soft, but I'm hoping in the middle it's still alive. Yeah, but see, I'm not sure. And this one here, well, I'm hoping it's okay. But this one, I had to watch slowly die. Oh, it was agonizing. Remember how big the bloom was? Oh, it's so hard. I don't know if it's gonna live or not, but I'm hopeful. It's my fault. I cried because I killed them by ordering them at the wrong time of year. They were perfectly happy where they were, I'm sure. And here, my vining monstera. Oh, come here for a second. Yeah, don't want to knock things over here. Come here, you. See, I only have 2 leaves left and they keep burning, so I don't know. I try to keep it away from the light more. It's the first time I've ever had one, but I'm really hopeful. And then this one over here, that's one of my other ones I'm giving away. And it looks like it's gonna bloom. Being so small it shouldn't, but I'm gonna let it. And Did I call the other one my alocasia? It's not. This is my alocasia. Yeah, I cause my silver dragon. It's just opening a new leaf here. I'm not sure what to think of this though, because it doesn't grow in any kind of attractive way. So I don't really know what to do with it. What did I call this one? I don't remember, but it's not an alocasia. Oh, it's the one that has the pink, like, peace lily flowers. Sorry, I just don't remember the name right now. And these are all of my little bonsais. And oh, I talked about my luck with bonsais, or the seed, you know, from Amazon. So I'm gonna keep trying to water it and see what happens with it. But yeah, I don't see anything coming up there. But we're just gonna keep trying. But this is my little area in here so far. This is where I saw something fly by. Did you? Ah, okay. Anyway, it's winter. Nothing should have flew by. This is just my little hospital area so far, and where I put the extra plants I have. And well, I'm hopeful it'll look prettier as time goes by. But I'm going to go ahead and close this one out. I hope you guys have a really fabulous day. And you know I will as well. I've got my little friends here. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.